Hello dear viewer, I'm Maria J. Clifford and I'm a professional dietitian. I'm here to tell you that green coffee bean extract is the most effective and powerful weight loss supplement out in the market right now. For over 15 years I've researched various diet supplements and their effectiveness in aiding weight loss. Even independent studies conducted by nation-famous laboratories point at the same thing. It makes you lose fat and it does it fast. I've personally witnessed hundreds of cases where 8 to 9 pounds are lost during the very first week. That's why for over 5 years I've been recommending green coffee bean extract to my patients who want to achieve their weight loss goals. The bad news is supplements are a billion-dollar business and the market is saturated with fake supplements. It's hard to tell which supplements work and which don't. Frankly, I'm shocked at how many low-quality green coffee bean extracts are everywhere. They're a hazard to the public and can hurt you in two ways. You lose hard-earned money and you fail to lose weight. Because I care for your well-being, I've created this video to help remove your confusion and help you achieve results. So below this video, you'll find the 3 smart and easy steps you should follow before purchasing green coffee bean extract. Once this video is over, simply click the About button below this video and press Show More to view the 3 important steps.